Push-button Triton series control, valve troubleshooting, and replacement. During troubleshooting, the first thing to do is verify that the manual override knob on the valve is completely pushed in. The valve will not operate if the knob is pulled out for manual override operation. Plug in the control power cord. Warning: do not touch any high voltage area as indicated on the main control board. Power LED is solid red. Press and release the raise button and verify power LED turns green. Blower motor turns on. Valve will not open. Remove the 4 screws on the top plate. Press the lower button and verify the power LED turns green. Flip over the faceplate assembly to expose the main control board. Verify the connection of the valve to the main control board is secure, and that the LED just above the valve connection is illuminated. If illuminated, the valve is receiving power and should open. If it still will not open, replace the valve. If it is not illuminated, replace the main control board. With the power disconnected from the control, disconnect the valve wire leads from the terminal block on the main control board. An optional test can be performed using a 9-volt battery to verify the valve is bad. Connect the red wire to the positive side of the battery and black wire to the negative side. Does the valve open? If so, re-verify terminal connections on the main board. If not, the valve is faulty. Place the control laying face forward and use an extension on a ratchet to remove the screws holding the valve retainer in place. Pull the exhaust nipple and valve out together. With the valve leads disconnected from the main board, pull the valve wire down through the control housing. Replace the new valve and exhaust nipple back in place and retighten the screws that hold the valve retainer. Feed the valve wire back up to the top of the control housing. Reconnect the valve wire leads to the main board and tug on them to verify they are secure. Plug in the control power cord. Warning: do not touch any high voltage area as indicated on the main control board. Before securing the top plate on the control, press the lower button and verify it works properly. Lastly, secure the 4 cap head screws that hold the top plate assembly in place.